Hi, Mr. Shyam. How has been your IMTEX 2025 this time?
Beyond expectation, I would say.
Hmm.
We had the visitor from different parts of the country, different segment of industries. Overall, it's overwhelming, I would say.
When we speak about IMTEX 2025 this time,
Hmm.
what is that you have seen? What is the changes you have seen?
Uh, Customers are very clear as to what he wants and what kind of a solution that he is looking at. So he's coming with a clear understanding that what is the kind of discussions that he wants, what kind of solutions he wants. He's exploring what is it we can offer. And quite successful, I would say, because if you look at many of the customers also said, let us sit down and close some orders. So they say that, okay, let's settle the price. We have seen everything good. And tomorrow we'll send out the order. So what else you can ask for?
Speaking of technology, do you think there is a vast amount of changes as regards to the exhibits? What we are seeing from uh, companies like Ace, BFW, S&T, Lakshmi, Jyoti. What is the kind of changes they have brought in?
See, if you look at our Indian manufacturing companies, like the names that you mentioned, we have seen everyone is coming with a 5-axis machine, which is a big change from the previous exhibitions, and the double column machine, horizontal machining centers, which gives what do you say, kind of a boost for our own industrial segment, that is machine tool segment. So it is very encouraging that Indian manufacturers are coming up with all these technology developments that the industry would like to see for sure. So we are extremely happy to have all the solutions that we have given. For example, some of the customers who had come, they said that yes, I want this bore gauge. Bore gauge is not was not a subject at all, but today we are talking about the bore gauge. Customers have shown interest on the roughness gauge that we are showing on the machine, the form control X software, which is for the part production as well. And interestingly, this is the software for aerospace, which they are looking out for, in addition to the die mold exhibition. So,
So, what I mean to say is, test and measurement as a subject,
mhm.
it's trending in the sense even a SME, MSME segment are looking at test and measuring solution. What is that new, what you have exhibited in your stall?
First in place is that if you look at uh, in the previous times, the metrology was considered as okay, the high end technology. It is expensive. It is difficult to justify the investment. Today, it is not the case. We have seen in the last couple of years that customers have realized the investment that they have done. Meaning which we have crossed that barrier saying that, okay, should we really go with a metrology in the manufacturing? The realization of the industry is very high. They know that if they want to be faster, be precise, they need a process control. For the process control, definitely metrology is one of the solution. So this is well taken by the industry, I would say, and we are ready for implementing the newer technology as well.